All right, guys. It's the day after camp. Mike, how you feeling?
Feeling good.
Ethan, how you feeling?
Terrific.
All right, we're about to go hiking on Spyrock Mountain. You basically have to like scale a rock at the very end. We'll get footage from that. But yeah, started off a little late. We definitely got Starbucks. Mike, show them what you got. It's always a tradition. Ethan didn't get anything because he's not a typical white girl like me and Mike. But yeah, we'll see you at our next destination. All right, guys, we stopped by Chick-fil-A. My voice still sucked. Now we're on the way to Spyrock. Gonna hike, scale some rocks. We'll see you at the mountain.
Ocean.
All right, we stopped at a gas station. All right, we're about 55 minutes away, because we have to go pee and get waters for the hike. So yeah. We stopped at the gas station, got some snacks and waters, got banana chips, got some dark covered almonds, got some water. Boom. Thanks, Eva. That's beautiful as crap. Guys, I can't even I don't know if it's just me, but this is freaking gorgeous. All right, guys, we are here at Spyrock, currently about to start the trek up to the peak of it. We have absolutely no service. So if you try to text or call me during this hike, I didn't receive anything. It's not that I hate you, unless you're Michael. Just kidding, I love you. So yeah, we'll probably see you. Oh, hold up. Sorry about that. Almost went the wrong way already, and we just started hiking. Michael's already got a poop, and there are no porta potties on this trail.
Looks like pooping in the wilderness.
Looks like you better grab a couple big leaves and squat on a tree. Woo. So we reached partially the top. Sorry about the wind. I'll talk louder because the wind's blowing pretty bad up here. But we reached part of the top. This place is kind of like, this place really just looks like Narnia to me. I don't know why, but I feel like you open up a closet and you just see that. Always respect the plants and whatnot. So this is a huge, all that you see right here, that's all rock. Just all solid rock. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down this trail real quick and we're gonna scale it out. So we're gonna hike up this way. So let's go. Yeah, let me get up here and then I'll grab my phone, all right?
Arden, did you fart?
So we're up a little bit. So here's the main portion that we scale. You want to grab on right here?
Yeah.
And you're gonna want to try to like reach right here, or just get a solid footing and then hold the tree so you can get up, right? Hold on to the rock at all time. And then go. And you'll get up here. And you just climb up from here. We're up here. They haven't seen the view yet. I told them not to look so they can see it when they get up. Currently climbing this rock. Pretty dangerous since I'm also recording it. Like, this is wild. I love this. All right, guys, I want y'all to stop real quick. Look this way. Look this way. Eating some banana chips while at the peak. Over here taking pictures. Their first time. Honestly, this hike is probably one of the more tough, and then more like pretty, more beautiful hikes I've ever been on. Especially during fall. What do you think of this view?
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Ethan, what about you?
Looking out here, how can you like say there's not a God?
Facts. So, I'm still up here at the top of the mountain, and we're waiting for Michael because he had to go to the bathroom. So we have to wait for him to go poop.
It came out really easily on top.
You have to talk a little louder, the wind's blowing.
It came out really easy.
What did you do to go poop?
I went over in a corner. I grabbed the hole.
Oh my God! Okay, tell him now.
I grabbed the branch, bent down, and it just came out.
Wow. Walking in the forest got me like... And we're done with the hike. We made it. Pretty good hike. Time to drive home and get ready for young life. Well, we stopped at an apple orchard. Dill pickle chips and fresh pressed apple cider. We're smacking today. We're really smacking. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, so we're going to pass this around, and you have 30 seconds to go through as many things as you can.
There's a bunch of nouns in that.
The first round, you just have to describe this. So
Description.
You can't say the words, what they are. Just describe it, and your team is trying to guess what it is. Trying to get
Teams.
as many as you can.
A minute or 30
Oh
seconds.
yeah. I know how to 30 seconds strike personally.
We can do 30 seconds.
Oh yeah.
The second round, we're gonna act them out using the same
Calligraphy.
ones, and the third round, you just say one word.
What's that word?
I just can't.
Charades.
Charades?
Okay.
Randall!
Hey, Randall!
Milk!
Pass the milk now, pass the milk.
What are we playing?
Playing signs. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Connor's vlogging, don't pass on the sign. Seriousness.
Whoa!
Tennis players.
Game changing.
I forgot. What sport it was.
My name's Connor.
My name's Michael, and don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to lick that motherflippin' like button.
And don't forget to tell your friends.
We'll see you tomorrow.